Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you ways to add money to your Google Play. So all you have to do is head over to your Google Play app, and the first way is by using a debit or credit card. All you have to do is click on your profile icon, then click on payments and subscriptions, then payment methods, then click on Add Credit or Debit Card. Just enter your card details, then click on Continue. Another way is by using Google Play gift cards. Just buy a Google Play gift card. It's available online or at stores. Then in your Play Store app, just tap on your profile, then Payments and Subscriptions, then click on Redeem Code. Just enter the 16-digit code from the gift card and the amount will be added to your Google Play balance. And lastly is by adding money to your Google Play balance directly. Just a reminder that this is not available in all countries. All you have to do is click on your profile, then click on Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Tap Add Funds to your Google Play balance. Just choose the amount and payment method. Then confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!